Welcome to Pouches and More. Today we'll be doing this simple envelope pouch or a envelope purse. It's got a lining, it's got a wristlet, and it's got snap buttons. So let's check out the materials required. We require one piece of main fabric that has been fused with interfacing, and this measures 14 by 9 inches. We'll require a piece of lining. This also measures 14 by 9 inches. Next, we'll also be requiring one piece of fabric measuring 2 inches by 11 inches, and this is for the wristlet. What we'll be doing is folding it in half and then getting the raw edges in the center and then again folding it in half. So this is for the wristlet and it measures 2 inches by 11 inches. Now we'll also be requiring one set of snap buttons. So this is one set of snap buttons which we'll be requiring for putting. So first we have folded the wristlet, and next what we're going to do is we're going to take the main fabric and the lining fabric. The main fabric right side facing up. We're going to put the lining fabric on it, and we are going to make a straight stitch on this side. This is the base. We'll be making a straight stitch. We'll leave a slight opening and make a straight stitch. So here we'll be leaving the opening. This is the base opening that we'll be leaving for turning over. So I've finished stitching the wristlet and we've also done this stitch. Now we're going to just turn it over. So I'm just going to hand press the seams like this so that it remains flat. I'm just going to open it and press it like this. Now we just turn it over and flatten the entire thing. We have also left an opening over here. We have not stitched this part. So now I'm just going to press it like this, flatten it completely. Now what we have to do is we'll take a scale and we'll have to mark 5 inches on both the sides. So on one side we're going to mark 5 inches and on the other side again we're going to mark 5 inches. So both these parts we are marking 5 inches. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this main fabric, only the main fabric we want to fold it on this 5-inch mark. We have not folded the lining. So we'll nicely fold it and we'll align it from the sides so that it doesn't go out anywhere. Nicely align it and fold it. So this is the 5-inch mark that we did. We're folding it and we have folded only the main fabric. So I'll just put a clip over there. Next what we're going to do is the lining fabric which we have not folded it. We are going to turn it on the lining fabric side and fold it on this lining side only. The lining fabric we want to fold it on the lining side only. Same marking, 5-inch marking, we are going to fold it. We are going to align the fabric nicely and fold it. We'll just clip it for securing the folds. This is how it will be looking now. The next thing what we're going to do is we remove the clips. I need to do a marking. We are going to mark 6 inches. That is the 5-inch fold plus extra 1 inch. So this is 6 inch on both sides. This is the 5-inch fold and 1 inch extra. This is 6 inch. We are going to make a marking. Now we are going to clip the sides to just secure it, because we need to now fold it to get the center. So just putting the clips all around. Now we are going to fold it like this. We need to get the center mark. So neatly just fold it, aligning everything. Once the fold is done, we are going to make a marking now. So this is where we have folded. Now we are going to make a center marking. This is our center. Now from the center, around ½ inch on both sides, either sides ½ inch we will be marking with the scale. So this is ½ inch on either side of the center, and we will join this ½ inch mark to the 6 inch mark on either side that we have done. So on both sides we are going to join this ½ inch mark to the 6 inch mark that we have done. Now we'll just slightly curve it. We don't want such a sharp edge, so we're just going to slightly curve it to give it that envelope look. So now this is done. Now we have to cut this thing. So this is our shape which has come out. This is the envelope pouch. Now we have to just stitch all around over here. We'll have to stitch all around over here. It's a simple straight stitch. The entire thing is in a simple straight stitch. Before we do this stitching, what we're going to do is just any side, either right or left, whichever side is comfortable, we are going to open it like this. The folded side where both the main fabrics are meeting, we are going to take this wristlet, fold it in half. The loop side we are going to push it inside the purse. The loop side we are going to push it inside the purse. Remember the main fabric side, not the lining side, the main fabric where both the main fabrics are touching. In between we are going to push it, the raw edges in the coming out, that is meeting the raw edges. We are going to place it like this. The loop we are going to nicely tuck it inside. The raw edge we are going to place it outside on the raw edge, and we are going to clip it. We have to put this inside and stitch. This is for the wristlet, so we need to put it inside. Remember, it will come in between the main fabric, not on the line, between the lining fabric, between the main fabric it will come. Now we are going to make a stitch all around. This is how it will be looking. It's come in between over here. Now we are going to make a stitch all around. So we have finished doing that, stitched all around. We are just going to cut the sides and snip over here so that we can turn it comfortably. Since it's curved, we need to make slight cuts so that it gets the beautiful shape. So I finished snipping it all around. Now we are going to turn this from where we have left this opening in the base. This is the opening that we have left in the base in the starting. We are going to push our hand inside and turn over from there. So we are pulling the whole thing inside out like this. Now this is the opening that we left. Now we are going to pull the entire thing out from that opening. So we have pulled the entire thing out. Just push out the corners neatly. So that is done. I push the corners out. This is how it will look. Now we have to just close this opening, and we are going to make a top stitch all around over here. Complete, we are going to do a top stitch. So I finished doing the top stitch also now. This is how it is. Now we will have to put the snap buttons. For that we'll just make a marking. Might be around 1 inch above the envelope corner. So here we'll just make a marking, and we're going to put the snap buttons in this. So we've already put the snap buttons. This is how it will be looking, and our envelope pouch is completely ready. It's got a wristlet also, and it's this simple to make. So please do try this, and thanks for watching. Bye.